Bakit natatawa sa akin mo?
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
Balita ko, aattend tayo ng party ni Ma'am Aw, kaya dapat tayo ay bongga. Hindi tayo dapat padai kay Lola Tinidora. Nasaan na si Yaya Dab? Yaya! Yaya! Siguro nakikipagkita na naman kay Alco.
Mga kaibigan, hindi po natin alam kung sino itong dumating na daw. Oh.
Hoy!
Allah! Dali lang po.
Cuando? Balita ko yung a-attend tayo ng isang party kay Dr. Aw. Kinakailangan natin mauna at sa ating sasama si Yaya Dab.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary.
Hindi ako papayag na sa iyo sumama si Yaya Dab. Sa akin dapat sumama si Yaya Dab. Sa akin sasama si Yaya Dab. Umuulan na.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you.
Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig. Ay pag-ibig.
Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. Magkasuyo buong gabi, masaya pangalan. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard